Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below, and remember, this is just my personal experience. We're taking a look at RemoteOK.com today, a popular online job board specifically designed for remote work opportunities. It's a fantastic resource if you're looking to ditch the commute and embrace the flexibility of working from home, or anywhere else in the world, for that matter. Navigating the site is incredibly straightforward. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it easy to find exactly what you're searching for. You can filter job listings by category, such as software development, customer service, marketing, or design, just to name a few. There's a wide variety of positions available, catering to a broad range of skills and experience levels. You'll find everything from entry-level roles to senior management positions. One of the standout features of RemoteOK is its focus on fully remote positions. This means that the listed jobs are designed to be performed entirely remotely, eliminating the need for occasional office visits or in-person meetings. This commitment to remote work makes it an ideal platform for those seeking true location independence. Furthermore, the site actively promotes a culture of remote work, offering valuable resources and articles for remote workers. These resources cover topics like effective communication in remote teams, setting up a productive home office, and maintaining a healthy work-life balance while working remotely. While RemoteOK provides a vast collection of job listings, it's worth mentioning that competition can be stiff, especially for highly sought-after roles. Therefore, crafting a strong resume and cover letter is essential to standing out from the crowd. Take the time to tailor your application materials to each specific job you apply for, highlighting your relevant skills and experience. Overall, RemoteOK is a highly valuable tool for anyone seeking remote work opportunities. Its user-friendly interface, focus on fully remote positions, and wealth of resources make it a top choice for job seekers in the remote work landscape. So, if you're ready to embrace the freedom and flexibility of remote work, be sure to check out RemoteOK.com. You might just find your dream remote job waiting for you there.